Good morning, everybody. As usual, we are coming today to explain and brief you about some head rotation exercises, which is accompanied with breathe in and breathe out to improve your immunity and health condition. So our Mr. Somshekhar is going to demonstrate these few head rotation exercises along with a very unique and very important vital this one exercise, that is Mahashirsha Mudra, the rotation of head on forward basis and downward basis and reverse forward basis and downward basis. While taking the head upwards, the breath should be taken and hold it for few seconds and slowly down the head and bring it to downwards. At that time, you have to give up your breath. This is the simple aspect of this Mahashirsha Mudra, and it will stretch, give exercise for all the 70 to 1000 nerves which is passed through your neck, and it will straighten the neck, and it will straighten the nervous system, and it will improve the brain power, and then brain will start giving commands, proper commands to the all the organs to work properly. Even though it is lockdown period, your head and body will be working properly to give you a push up in your health and immunity. Please follow this. This is a wonderful exercise. Please do it every day. 2 to 3 minutes you do it each time. Two times a day or 3 times a day in empty stomach. Always I will tell you, whatever the exercises, pranayama, magnetic therapy, acupressure, sujok therapy, if you want to do, yeah, all the things should be done in your empty stomach only. Otherwise, when the digestion is started, all the oxygen will be busy in digesting your heavy food or medium food. So when digestion is happening, if you are going to do all this massaging and other things to regulate your organs, the oxygen will get disturbed and it will pass on to that part, and digestion will get curtailed. So that's why empty stomach is very important to do the any type of exercise. This is the thing, basic concept. You have to keep it in mind and adapt in your life. Please, I am going to demonstrate. Mr. Somshekhar is going to demonstrate few exercises. Please follow it. Now Mr. Somshekhar is going to start the side bending of your head. So that is, while going down, breathe out. While coming up, the head portion, breathe in. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, this is the accompanied breathing technique to get the full result by doing this side stretching. Here on sides, vagus nerves, so large intestine meridian, small intestine meridian, and as I told, stomach meridian and kidney meridians, and all other liver and lung meridian will pass through this one to the brain, so it will stretch properly. If you hold it for a longer time, for example, few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds or 30 seconds under stretch condition, it gives you very good impact. It will improve your eyesight, nose problem will be eradicated, and even your tooth, but the base of the teeth will be strengthened. Nervous system and blood circulation, once it is passed to your gums, it will strengthen, and it makes your teeth healthy. So you need not to spend a good lot of money on your teeth only. So these are the things. Next, he is going to second step. Is stretching his head. He is stretching his head backside, and he is bringing his head, and he is stretching his chin to onto the chest, and once again he is going back and coming forward slowly. While he is coming downwards, he is going to release his breath. While he is going backward, stretching backward, he is going to take the breath. That is belly breath. So 4 liters of air you have to inhale at the time. So once again is coming down and going down. By doing this in your neck portion, 72,000 this one nervous will pass through your neck to your brain from entire your body. So it will get strengthened and mental status will be good and all other organs will be strengthened. So immunity naturally will improve to fight against any type of deadly virus or any bacterial this one attack. So next stage he is going to do, he is turning, he is stretching his head forward and backward, forward and backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. If anybody is having neck pain, they will get rid of the neck pain, shoulder pain, head, skull pain, everything by doing this exercise. While stretching forward, he will take the breath, and while going backside, he will release the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Now he is moving to the great mudra, Mahashirsha mudra. So here he is going to stretch his head upwards. You can see all the nervous systems which is passing through his neck will be stretched properly, and this while going up he is taking the breath, and while coming down he is releasing the breath. So he is, while going up he is going to take the breath, and while coming down he is going to release the breath. So 21 times. So one rotation, okay, going right to left and left to right is one rotation. So 21 rotations every day. If you do, your entire health condition, mental condition get improved. Definitely you do it, whatever the ailment are there, so it will get problem will be solved. So don't spend on hospitals or medicines. Don't get exhausted by taking the medicines, and stop reducing the medicines. By doing this physical exercise, mental exercise, yoga, you can keep up your health in a good condition. Thank you very much. Please follow and forward to everybody.